And walking through the walk-through pantry, and of course, if you had your groceries, set them down on the island. So easy, such a nice space to walk into. And we've got this. This is a nice design for his kitchen. It's a very contemporary, very modern. We've got beautiful features, as you can see up top. This border that we had put in, beautiful stained black oak throughout. And as you can tell, there's no handles throughout this whole kitchen, making it much easier to clean. Very easy to open. Beautiful drawers. And this lighting feature that we got throughout is very, very nice, especially at night when you're walking through. You don't want too much light. Very nice to have. Beautiful storage up here, all throughout the kitchen, and keeping it very simple, but very, very unique. And we've got beautiful appliances throughout too, all Whirlpool appliances. This is a nice fridge right here. Beautiful stove. And of course our dishwasher in this corner. And our champagne gold tap matching all the fixtures in the house. Yeah, very, very nice space. Beautiful waterfall granite countertop. And of course, when you're here entertaining people, of course, the space is definitely going to get used for that. And you're also right next to your living room and right next to your dining room. You can have your TV mounted up there, and just an amazing, amazing entertainment space. And of course, you've got your nice backyard right here with all these beautiful windows facing east.